Hello. Okay, I have the situation. I have these several waters analyzed by different filters. Like this is a Kangen filter. This is the water in the kitchen. This is another filter. This is bottled water. This is in another place, also the kitchen. Another filter and another filter. And I want to compare. I do conditional formatting row by row, not the whole range, but I want to do it row by row. So I have to first choose here. I choose this, the range, color scales. So the highest becomes red. And you see the highest is red. Now I want to copy this to all the other rows. How do I do it? I use the format, copy formatting. So I select this and I go to format. I do like this. See, the highest becomes red. I do again, copy format. And I do this for all the rows. Thank you very much.